everyone, welcome back again to this series of 50 days 50 questions. I hope your preparation is going well. We are here on day number 49 in the series. Please watch the previous videos if you haven't yet done so that your concepts are clear for different topics that we have discussed in these videos. So let's look at the question for today. Question is that there are three variables x1, x2 and x3, and they are pairwise uncorrelated, okay, and the mean and variance of each of these is 0 and 3. So the mean is 0 and variance is 3 for all x1, x2 and x3. For each of them the mean and the variance are same. So we have to find the correlation between x1 plus x2 and x1 plus x3. The options given are 0, half, 1 by 3, 1, 1 by 4. If you know how to solve this question, pause the video, solve it and then come back. If not, let's do it together. So see, correlation. How do we find correlation? Correlation, the very famous Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation is given by formula covariance between the two random variables divided by the standard deviation, right, of the two variables that we are talking about here. Okay, whatever the variables these are. Now in our question it is x1 plus x2 and x1 plus x3. So these are the information we need to find the correlation. So first let's try to find out what would be the covariance. Now how do I find out covariance between x1 plus x2 and x1 plus x3? This is what I need to know. So this is going to be equal to what? Now try to expand this bracket. So covariance between x1, right? This is going to be covariance between x1 and x1 plus covariance between x1 and x3 plus covariance between x2 and x1 plus covariance between x2 and x3. This is what it is going to be. So this covariance between x1 and x2 one is actually the variance of x1, right? And this term, these are pairwise uncorrelated. So this is 0, x1, x3. This is also 0 and this is also 0. So we have variance of x1. Variance of x1 we know it's 3. So we have the numerator of our formula to be 3, the covariance, right? Now we need the standard deviation. So for standard deviation, let's first find out the variance and then we can square root. So variance of x1 plus x2, what is it going to be? It is going to be variance of x1 plus variance of x2 plus 2 times the covariance between x1 and x2. So the covariance we know it's 0, so it's going to be variance of x1 plus variance of x2, which is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Similarly, you find the variance of x1 plus x3, and again you will get the variance to be 6, okay, because the covariance is 0. So you have under root 6 times 6 here in the formula, because we have to take standard deviation, so square root. So this is going to be 3 by 6, which is half. Hence the answer is option B, 1 by 2 for this question. I hope you understood this. For more such questions, make use of the resources, and if you have any queries you can call us here. Thank you.